How to find someone in Discord. So if you want to find someone in Discord, then first you need to open up your Discord application. Make sure to sign into your account. And once you open up your Discord, you just need simply go with the chats, and under your chats you will have an option of invite more friends or add friends section. Tap on it, and from here you can add your friends by username. So you can also share the invite link, you can copy link, you can send messages, emails, you can go with Messenger, Telegram, Twitter, WhatsApp and everything. Or you can just simply tap on find friends and allow contacts to add me, and then tap on add by username and then enter the person's username or your friend's username. For example, I'll just simply enter a username, and you can simply tap on send friend request. But make sure that your username is correct, like the username that you are entering here is correct, and then tap on send friend request, and once the other person accepts your friend request, then you'll be friends. So that's how you can find someone in Discord, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.